Next I say क्या बोला था मैंने, क्वेश्चन बोला था मैंने, हाँ हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ये हो गया आपका इसी के अंडर में। अगला है वी हैव सीन एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर, एंगल ऑफ इंसुलेशन, ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द डे, एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर। अनदर वी हैव टू सी लाइक आई सेड दैट द फोर्थ फैक्टर इज आई सेड दैट precipitation. Should I discuss this? Yeah, we have discussed it. Huh? I have discussed it. In the equatorial low pressure belt, there is a 200 to 400 centimeter rainfall. And every day it is rainfall, it is happening. Every day 200, 400 nahi. Annual rainfall is what? 200 to 400 centimeter. And every day rainfall causes what is the decrease in the salinity. And how much the salinity? 34. And then in the temperate cyclone, it's a polar low pressure belt. यहाँ पे precipitation good in amount. And therefore reduces the salinity in this case. Very clear. So precipitation, and then I said that prevailing wind, offshore wind and onshore wind. तो जनरली द वर्ल्ड में जहां जहां कोल्ड ओशन करंट है, व्हाट इज देयर? ऑफशोर विंड. सो इफ आई से दैट ऑफशोर विंड इज ड्रैगिंग, ऑफशोर विंड what it causes, just tell me? Dragging water from the coast. Therefore क्या होता है यहाँ पे? Therefore upwelling of cold water from thermocline layer. Which layer? And then cold water will have more, the cold water will have more salinity, or warm water will have more salinity? It can hold more salt. So that is in a cold water means it will be, which kind of it is? Less saline. कैसा हो जाएगा? Coastal zone कैसा हो जाएगा? Coastal zone will become less saline. And offshore wind. And if it is onshore wind, what will happen? Dragging the water towards the coast. Yes, means this is an onshore wind if I say that, along the coast. So if there is a coastal zone and this is a sea water and it is coming and then bringing more water, so there is a piling up. Yes, if there is an onshore wind and the wind is putting friction and the sea water, warm sea water is coming and piling up more warm water, and then there is a downwelling. ये पानी जब उठता जाएगा, that will keep on. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Downwelling of warm water. ऊपर से क्या जाएगा? There will be what? Downwelling of warm water. और यहाँ पर क्या होता रहेगा? Warm water is keep on coming, evaporating, keep on coming. Slowly and slowly this region salinity will increase. And compared to the nearby region जहाँ पे downwelling होगा, there must be onshore wind. Everywhere onshore wind not है. So compared to the other region where the onshore wind is not there, there will be, this region will have more saline. So it has a downwelling, and this region will have more salinity. Understood? So which wind we have seen? Prevailing wind. Another that we can say that another कौन सा point था, fifth था या sixth था? Sixth, it is a permanent wind. और permanent wind में सबसे effective कौन है जो हमने अभी कर लिया? वेस्टर्लिस. Yes. It has an extra speed, and therefore what is that? Moving the southern hemisphere with a very high speed, and we have done in the climate why? And that is an increasing the sea surface temperature, and the sea surface temperature increases. What does it mean? Then there is a more evaporation, and therefore 33, 34 parts per thousand, and the same in northern hemisphere it is 32, 33. 31 to 33 भी सब पोलर लो प्रेशर का नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में आप लिख सकते हो 31 to 33. वहाँ पे 32 to 33 हटा के 31 to 33 लिख सकते हो आप, क्योंकि वहाँ पे कंपैरेटिवली बहुत लेस स्पीड होता है. सब पोलर लो प्रेशर जोन इन द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर 32, 33 बोला है ना मैंने. यू कैन राइट 31 to 33. So this one we have seen. And then flux of, next it is flux of fresh water. Flux of fresh water. And who is causing? Reverse melting of glaciers. Okay, reverse, and then I said that melting of this is, I said that Black Sea. And the Black Sea, if I am talking about, there is a Black Sea, and this is a Don River, this is a Dnieper, this is Dniester, this is Danube. So in the Black Sea, there is several major rivers are coming. Not only these four rivers, but the several other rivers are coming and contributing large amount of fresh water, contributing and therefore the Black Sea, due to contribution of fresh water by the rivers, now we are doing the rivers, and because of this what happened, its salinity is 18 parts per thousand. How much salinity is this? Understood it? Kela? What is the salinity? 18 parts per thousand. Another reason for this is that it has also outlet. Yeah, Black Sea has also outlet. There is an Dardanelles Strait. This is Marmara Sea, and there is a strait, another strait, Bosporus Strait, and thereafter this is Aegean Sea. It means there is a movement is there, outlet is there. Means वहाँ पर केवल पानी यहाँ concentrate नहीं हो रहा है. So it keep on moving. Circulation is there, and if the region having a circulation of water, then the salinity will be much less. So there is an also circulation of water. And finally, Aegean Sea, Aegean, and then it is in a what? Mediterranean Sea. So there is a circulation in the river of water. It is in helping what maintaining the low salinity of which I said that Black Sea. Understood? Next one. Suppose this is in a large water body, and I said that who has made this saline? River has made this saline? Yes or not? Suppose its salinity is how much? 35 parts per thousand. How much salinity? How much salinity? 35 parts per thousand. And the river, यहाँ से river आ रहा है. The river is coming and is giving what 0.5 gram. लेकिन 0.5 gram मिलने से यहाँ की salinity क्या हो जाएगी? Reduce. So at the mouth of river, salinity कैसा रहेगा? Salinity less. Salinity will be what? Less at the mouth of the river. At the mouth of river, salinity will be less. लेकिन ये पानी, ये salt का जो पानी every year lakhs of waters it is coming, keep on happening, spreading into the sea. Yes or not? Sea पे तो यहाँ पे हो रहा है, यहाँ पे mixing हो रहा है, और यहाँ से क्या हो रहा है? What is happening? Evaporation. So this side is no mixing. Where is mixing? This side. So यहाँ पे salinity हमेशा कम रहेगी. It depends upon how much fresh water is mixing. और धीरे धीरे यहाँ की salinity 35 से 40 हो गया. And slowly it will become 50. And slowly it will become what? 100. Understood? But this should be closed sea. It should be what? यहाँ पे कोई outlet ना. There is no outlet. Closed sea. Understood? So the region where the river is meeting, salinity will be less, and the region where there is a what out of this mouth, and it is in a closed sea, the salinity will keep on increasing. Similarly, I said Caspian Sea. Europe, the longest river and largest river is Europe. Longest river is Volga, and this side is 14 parts per thousand, and this side is 100 parts per thousand. Clear? So North Caspian Sea is what? This is in a Caspian Sea. North Caspian Sea is कैसा है बताओ? क्लियर समझ में